This is Mark with your Advanced Assembly Technology Minute.
Well, it's that time. We need to finish up TeachMePCB. And I've got boxes of success and I've got boxes of failures. And it's actually going to be the first time I see this stuff too. So we're going to go through this together. With that, it has been quite an adventure. I've been putting this off because I know I'm not going to like what's in some of these boxes. But, you know, let's see what we've got. Let's do our successes first. And I'm just putting on an anti-static here because I don't want to be the reason that something doesn't work. Also, I mean, just because, why not? I lost power today. They're outside working on the lines. So if you're wondering why we're against this bright white backdrop, I need it for this shot. It's my only source of light. All right, let's see what Advanced Assembly sent us. So it looks like we've got bags of overage. So that's good. We can maybe get some parts out to people. I mean, hopefully they're labeled, caps and all that. I mean, not the hardest thing to get. Okay, so what we're looking at here is a job number for, looks like one of our participants called Parth Patel. And what they send us, you know, you always get extra boards in an order from Royal Circuits. And what you get are solder samples, something that they can work and run through the machines to tune things up on. Now, these things can be used to make additional badges. So that's good. Let's keep digging. A lot of extra shipping stuff. Looks like we've got parts display here. So if you guys haven't seen those yet, those are from a vendor. We just ordered a bunch of them. I'll probably take those out of the box, make it a little smaller, a little cheaper to ship. And what do we have? A complete badge. So this is Parth Patel's. And there's a few other boxes like this, and these are our boxes of successes. They were actually created in a separate batch. So that's a slick looking little badge there, Parth. I hope you enjoy it once this makes it to you, which will be soon. And a few more overages. I wonder if I might transfer that to a resealable anti-static for you. And these look like battery connectors. So for the GoPro view that we just went through there, we were looking at our boards, and this is one of our successes from Parth Patel. So Parth, once that all goes together for you, I hope you enjoy it. I'll throw in a programmer for you too, okay? That'll be kind of fun. So I've got a few boxes like that. I'm not going to go through all of them. They're all going to have the same stuff in them. Those are the successes. Not everything was so successful. You see, the problem over at Advanced Assembly is that there was a miscommunication on my end for what I would be giving them and then what they would be receiving. You see, they thought they were going to be making 50 plus copies of the same badge. Well, that's not a big deal. You set up the machine once, everything's got the same part numbers, you just crank them out. I mean, that's what they're built to do. But that's not what this course was. This course made 50 different badges. Yeah, that means 50 times you have to set up the machines, 50 times you have to load the reels, 50 times the overages, 50 times everything. It becomes a manual very quickly. And then we said we would do everybody's batch. It's one or two more than 50. But it ended up being too much work. There were too many non-reoccurring engineering fees for advanced assembly. So then what they said was, okay, well, what about this? What if we panelize everybody's work and we just do one panel? So to advanced assembly, it looks like one big job. Okay, that's good. We can do that because we're all using the same parts. So there's only one machine setup. And I went through and I relabeled everybody's reference designators in their BOBs and their XY and RS files. Getting everything aligned was a big pain in the butt, but we did it. Except we had another problem. So this was after Royal made everybody's individual boards. They went back and they made panels for us, which was very generous of them. And in these boxes, and I don't really know which one's which, but in these boxes, we're gonna see what happened, and it wasn't good. Not at all. My suspicion is this box is full of parts. I'm gonna set that aside for just a moment. I wanna see what we did to our panels. So, this was my first time making a panel, by the way. And I was told that, we want to put everything on a big panel because then it's less work for advanced assembly. They see it as one big board. So I made big panels, and being cheap, I maximized the size. Right? We fit as many projects on a panel as we possibly could, within reason. Well, the issue was we made these panels so big that there ended up being some copper balance issues. You see, copper's got a different coefficient of thermal expansion than the dielectric materials do, and we said in the course you need to balance your copper. Totally true, because on these big panels, they'll warp as they go through the machines. Where I screwed up was didn't even occur to me. I didn't balance the copper between the projects. So when these things went through the machines, they cupped, they bowed, they moved around. And they moved around a lot. Okay, so now we've got one more box of stuff. Okay, and this is just a box of stuff. This is going to be extra parts, extra capacitors. This is going to be such a mess to go through. I mean, they even sent me the reels. I'll probably have to take that out. I have no idea how I'm going to organize this stuff and get it to you. But yeah, they sent like the real loads of parts too. So anyways, we've got parts, we've got options. The important things to get out if we can are going to be the microcontrollers and the sensors. Those are the pricey parts. Not going to have to buy packing material anytime soon. So that's good. Holy cow. I do not know how the inventory gods keep track of all this. But we've got stuff. We've got reels of stuff. Oh! And chocolate pretzels. Well, at least we know something good came of this course. I mean, we learned a lot of stuff that was important. Hopefully have some fun. And I mean, I learned how to do this next time. We're going to have to do things different next time. But if we do things differently, one of the things is going to be not having giant full-size panels. We'll do halves or quarters. So everybody will, if we split the panel into quarters, we'll put, 4 projects in a corner, or 6, or however many that fit in, and we'll run them through that way. But anyways, that's the unboxing. That's it. We're not making anything else. We're not building anything else for this course. This is going to be the end of round 1. I'm going to ship you those, and I'm going to do you a favor too. I'm also going to ship you guys a Raspberry Pi Pico. It's a brand new microcontroller. Came out last Thursday. It'll at least give you something so you can start your programming adventures. And with that, we're done. It's been fun. Take care.
If you liked this video, let us know by clicking the like button at the bottom of the screen. But don't stop watching now. We have other educational and informative videos on this channel. To learn more about what Advanced Assembly offers and how we can help you, please visit aapcb.com.